Hello, today we are in Minsk, Republic Belarus. As you may see, there is an exhibition, Clean Expo Minsk 2019. There is a very small exhibition, so to say, because not so many companies are presented here, but it's very good organized, and we've seen a competition between the cleaning companies, and you may see some pictures and short video about it. And not so many things to show you here, but anyway, we'll show you some stands. There is no any company who presented their equipment here, I mean rock cleaning equipment, but still there is one guy from Russia who decided to come here to present his machines, and we'll show you him as well. But except it, as for the rock cleaning business, there is nothing to show you, unfortunately. But still, it was nice to be here today.
Демонстрируем максимальную скорость.